Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products worth your time and money. Today, we're looking at what might just be the ultimate tempera paint set for artists of all ages, the Handy Art Little Masters Tempera Paint Set. And trust us, it lives up to the name, Best Handy Art. Let's dive right in. This set includes 6 bottles of vivid, ready-to-use tempera paint, each bottle offering 16 fluid ounces of rich, matte color. That's a total of 96 ounces of paint. Whether you're a beginner, a parent stocking up for craft time, or even an art teacher building your classroom supplies, this set is designed to impress. One of the standout features here is the blendable formula. These paints mix effortlessly with each other, giving you endless possibilities when it comes to creating custom colors. Want to experiment and explore new shades? This set is your playground. Now, let's talk finish. The paint dries to a smooth, matte texture that's not just good looking, it's also practical. Once dry, the paint is chip resistant, flake resistant, and won't crack. That means your artwork stays looking fresh and vibrant, even after it's had time to set. But what if you're working with kids? That's where this set really shines. The formula is water-based and non-toxic, making it safe for use by young learners. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Just grab some soap and water and you're done. No need to stress about stains on hands, clothes, or tables. Each bottle comes in a basic color that's versatile and vibrant, providing a solid foundation for any creative project. And the flow from the bottle is just right, not too thick, not too runny, making it easy to pour or squeeze with control. Whether you're using brushes, stamps, or even fingers, these paints respond beautifully. Shipping-wise, if you're ordering internationally, especially to places like India, be prepared for an additional cost. But considering the quality and quantity you're getting, this still represents great value. And here's the bonus. This paint set is often frequently bought together with items like Crayola construction paper and Elmer's glue sticks. That tells you it's part of a trusted trio of classroom and at-home art staples. So what's our final verdict? The Handy Art Little Masters Tempera Paint Set delivers on every front: quality, safety, blendability, and ease of use. It's great for classrooms, homes, studios, and anywhere creativity flows. This is definitely one of the best tempera paint options on the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into top-rated products. Until next time, keep creating, and keep critiquing, with Product Critique. See you in the next one.